Welcome back everyone, Mudford here. Today I'm working on my garden irrigation. If you want to check out my other video, I'll put a link right up here to how I made the irrigation system. I'm also going to be doing some modifications on it. So if you check in the comments on that video, I have a comment about how I would do it differently. And I'm going to be making those mods hopefully soon. What's in front of you here is what I'm going to be making to blow the water out of the pipe for the winter. I kind of forgot to do it. I didn't have anything made and I just put it off and it froze, and I did have a crack right by a valve, which isn't good, so I'm going to have to redo that part. So what I'm making today is just for my air compressor to hook up to a valve, which is ultimately going to hook in to the PVC where the hose fits in with these adapters. And then I'm going to be able to blow air through and open it to each bed and hopefully get a lot of the water out. And hopefully I won't have any more freeze problems. So all I'm really going to do is just get some Teflon tape on this and put all this together. And I'll show you what that looks like. Here's all the pieces laid out. I probably could have done it a little simpler. I was in Tractor Supply, and this is all I could find that would work, so I'm just kind of throwing it together. So here's what I ended up making right here. This is going to go into the hose fitting that I have, and then the air line will hook on. And this was the most expensive part, was the stupid valve here. I think this was like $16. I think it was like $33 for all this crap. And I had this already. So that's kind of expensive, but I think this was $16. But where this is going to be outside, I want to be able to control it without coming all the way back into the garage. So that's why I added this valve. We're outside next to the garage now. There's the spigot, and there is the pipe that goes to the garden. We have a short hose that's going to go here. Next year there's going to be a timer on this also. Right now we're going to go ahead and hook up the air fitting I made. That should do it. And the air hose is live. It's coming from the garage, just the other side of the wall. Here is my big air compressor. So we're going to go ahead and hook it up, and then we can turn the valve. You can hear the air hissing maybe. We're going to go check out the garden beds. We're just going to open the valve and surge it. I've already got all the water out of this one, it looks like. We're just going to go down the line. And just cycle the valve and surge to get any of the low-lying water out on every single bed. That's all there is to it. Pretty important you do this early, don't wait too long. You can see that valve is closed and you can hear the air rushing out. That is because I let water freeze in there from waiting too long. So it's very important to get the water out before it gets cold out. You can see the valve has a big crack in it. So what I'm going to do now, I think I've pretty much got all the water out. We're going to go shut the air off at the Once you've done all the beds, you just shut the air off. And then you can put this up until next fall. Just make sure you remember where you put it. The only other thing I'm going to do now for the winter is go back to the garden and open the valves on every bed. My goal in doing this is just to have every valve open so any water trapped as it freezes, we'll be able to find room in the pipe, and hopefully it won't break the pipe. I don't know if that will work or not, but I'm just hoping it will. But I think I've got enough of it out that it shouldn't be a problem anyway.